Far too many drivers these days take to the roads without realizing how much protection a reliable dash cam can truly offer. It's not just about recording your drives, it's about peace of mind, safety, and evidence when it matters most. Upgrading your dash cam can completely change your driving experience, capturing every detail in stunning clarity while keeping your car secure, even when you're not around. The best dash cams in 2025 are smarter, sharper, and more dependable than ever before. And today we're going to break down the top 5 best dash cams available on Amazon right now. Before we dive in, make sure to check out the product links in the description below. Those links will take you straight to the latest discounts and updated prices for every dash cam we mention. Let's get started. First up, we have the Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam, a model that redefines what crystal clear driving footage should look like. This camera records in ultra-high definition 4K, powered by the advanced Starvis 2 sensor, which captures rich detail both day and night. It includes a free 128GB memory card, an amazing bonus right out of the box, and supports blazing fast 5G Wi-Fi with download speeds up to 20 megabytes per second. That means you can transfer your recordings to your phone in seconds. The bright 3-inch IPS display makes it easy to review footage on the spot, and the 24-hour parking mode gives you non-stop surveillance even when your car is parked. Whether it's for road trips, city drives, or daily commutes, the Rove R2 4K stands out as one of the most feature-packed and user-friendly dash cams of 2025. Next, we move to a true powerhouse, the AZDOM EM5503 channel dash cam. If you're someone who values complete coverage, this model is a must-have. It records in 3 directions, front, rear, and inside, at stunning 4K and 2.5K resolutions, ensuring every angle of your vehicle is protected. The built-in GPS keeps track of your routes, while the Wi-Fi feature lets you download videos straight to your smartphone for instant viewing or sharing. The AZDOM M550 also includes a 64GB card, an ultra-wide 3.19-inch IPS screen, and WDR image processing for bright, balanced footage no matter the lighting. With advanced IR night vision, it's perfect for rideshare drivers, long-distance travelers, and anyone who wants a professional-level recording setup in their car. The smart parking mode adds another layer of security, automatically recording whenever motion or impact is detected. Now, if you want premium performance without the premium price, the Red Tiger F7 NP 4K Dash Cam is an unbeatable choice. It captures 4K ultra-high-definition footage up front and 2.5K from the rear, ensuring you never miss a single license plate or road detail. The 3.16-inch IPS display and built-in GPS make route tracking effortless, while the built-in Wi-Fi gives you quick access to your videos via the companion app. It also includes a 32GB memory card, a thoughtful addition for anyone looking to get started right away. The Red Tiger F7 NP features a 170-degree wide-angle lens, WDR technology for enhanced contrast, and a superior night vision mode that delivers clear results even in low light. With a durable build and 24-hour parking surveillance, this model provides exceptional protection, making it one of the best value options for everyday drivers and commuters alike. Our next pick takes things to a whole new level. Meet the Piruvio 360-degree view 4-channel dash cam, a complete surveillance system that captures every single angle around your vehicle. With 4 channels, front, rear, inside, and both sides, you get total 360-degree visibility. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi ensure precise route tracking and seamless video sharing, while the night vision system delivers crystal-clear footage in pitch-black conditions. The Piruvio Dash Cam also includes a massive 128GB memory card, so you can store hours of high-quality footage without worrying about running out of space. Its 24/7 recording and parking mode make it ideal for taxi drivers, Uber and Lyft operators, or anyone who needs maximum visibility and protection around their vehicle. For those who value safety above all else, the Piruvio 360 degrees is simply in a class of its own. And finally, we close our list with a truly intelligent dash cam, the BOTSLAB 3-channel 4K Dash Cam. This device combines modern design, powerful performance, and advanced technology to give you one of the smoothest dashcam experiences on the market. It records in 4K from the front and 1080p from the rear and interior cameras, ensuring sharp, balanced footage from every direction. The 3.18-inch touchscreen provides easy navigation, while the intuitive voice control feature allows for hands-free operation. It's powered by ultra-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for seamless data transfer, and the built-in GPS automatically logs your speed and location. With night vision, WDR, loop recording, and parking mode, the BOTS-LAB dash cam keeps you covered in every situation. It even comes with a free 128GB card and a sleek, compact body that blends perfectly with your car's interior. Each of these 5 dash cams brings something unique to the table, whether it's the ultra-clear 4K resolution, the complete 360-degree protection, or the convenience of voice control and smart Wi-Fi connectivity. These devices don't just record, they empower you with security and confidence on every drive. Before you go, remember to check the links in the description below for the best prices and discounts on each model. These links take you straight to the official Amazon listing, so you can grab the latest deals and secure your peace of mind behind the wheel. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next review of the latest and greatest gadgets on Amazon. Stay safe, drive smart, and I'll see you in the next video.